Hello students, good morning. This day we are going to learn one important lesson. Chapter 3 Trigonometry. See the introduction part. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship involving sides and angles of triangles. Greek mathematicians used trigonometric ratios to determine unknown distances. Eratosthenes was the first person to calculate the Earth's circumference, which he did by applying measuring system using stadia, a Ptolemy Alexandria standard unit of measurement during that period. Now I recall the basic results. First, angles. Angle is already you know the line horizontal. That horizontal is the initial side, and the slanting line is the terminal side of the angle. One full anti-clockwise rotation is called complete rotation or revolution. Anti-clockwise or clockwise rotation. Okay. Next heading, different systems of measurement of angle. There are three different systems for measuring angles: sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. Hexagesimal system is a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts called degrees. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes, and each minute into 60 equal parts called seconds. Symbols 1 degree, 1 dash and 1 double dash are used to denote a degree, a minute and a second. Minute is 1 dash and second is double dash. Okay. Then next one is centesimal system. Centesimal is a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts called grades. Each grade is divided into 100 minutes and each minute is subdivided into 100 seconds. The symbol 1G is used to denote a grade. Okay, then circular system. In the circular system, the radian measure of an angle is introduced using arc length in a circle of radius r. Circular system is used in all branches of mathematics and in other applications in science. The symbol 1C is used to denote 1 radian measure. Next, basic conversion. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 degree is 3600 seconds. We use this basic conversion and write 1 minute is 1 by 60 degrees and 1 second is 1 by 60 minutes. Also write 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree. Next, I will explain the degree measure. Two angles that have exact same measure are called congruent angles. Two angles that have their measures adding to 90 degree are called complementary angles, and adding to 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Two angles between 0 degree and 360 degree are conjugate if their sum equals 360 degree. Angles in standard position. An angle is said to be in standard position if its vertex is at the origin and its initial side is along the positive x-axis. An angle is said to be in the first quadrant if in the standard position its terminal side falls in the first quadrant. Similarly, we can define for the other three quadrants. Angles in the standard position having their terminal sides along the x-axis or y-axis are called quadrant angles. The 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree are quadrantal angles. Listen, the first quadrant lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Second quadrant is 90 degree to 180 degree. Third quadrant is 180 degree to 270 degree, and the fourth quadrant 270 degree to 360 degree. Next one is coterminal angles. One complete rotation of a ray in the anti-clockwise direction results in an angle measuring of 360 degree. If you rotate in clockwise direction, negative angles are produced. If you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, positive angles are produced. Angles 57 degree, 417 degree and minus 303 degree have the same initial side and terminal side but with a different amount of rotations. Such angles are called coterminal angles. If alpha and beta are coterminal angles, then beta is equal to alpha plus k into 360 degree. K is an integer. The measurement of coterminal angles differ by an integral multiple of 360 degree. Next one is basic trigonometric ratios using a right triangle. Already you know the basic trigonometric ratios. What are that? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse and tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Then using this result, find out cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite side and secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Important results: tan theta is sin theta by cos theta and cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, again the tabular column, sin 0 degree is 0, 30 degrees 1 by 2, 45 degrees 1 by root 2 and 60 degrees root 3 by 2, 90 degrees 1. Reversing is cos theta and the division of sin theta by cos theta is we get tan theta value. Trigonometric identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Using this result to find out sin square theta is equal to what's the value, cos square theta is equal to and the tan square theta is equal to up to etc. Next class I will explain the problems. Thank you students.